This problem is asking me to find what is the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a pentagon. So to illustrate the way that we would solve this problem, I drew a pentagon. So you can see the pentagon that's inside here. So five sides, a pentagon has a five-sided shape. So here's my pentagon inside here. And what I did is I actually took and drew a line that extends off of each one of the sides of my pentagon in order to create exterior angles. So the interior angles are angles that are inside the shape. These five angles right here are the interior angles. The exterior angles are the angles that are outside the shape. These five angles right here are considered exterior angles. So they're the angle that's created if you were to draw a line that extends off of the side of one of the sides of your polygon. One thing I know is because this is a straight line right here, that means that this interior angle and this exterior angle are supplementary. They need to add up to 180 degrees. So one of the rules that we know when we are dealing with exterior angles, and the reason why I drew this picture like this is because it illustrates the fact that if I were to take this shape and I were to make it smaller so that you kind of lose the corners, see how the shape really kind of just turns into a circle. These angles go full circle around this shape. All right, well, hopefully you also know that a circle is 360 degrees. So if I took all of the angles, all of the exterior angles of a polygon and added them together, no matter what type of polygon I'm working with, the angles are going to add to 360 degrees. So whether it's a pentagon, a hexagon, a nonagon, a 20gon, all the angles will always add to 360 degrees. Second part of this video is going to talk about, well, what if I needed to find the measure of one single exterior angle? You might get a question that looks like this. What is the measure of a single exterior angle of a nonagon? So the first thing I need to do is determine, well, what kind of a shape is a nonagon? A nonagon is a shape that has 9 sides. So I would just say that 360 is the sum of all of my exterior angles. If I divide that by 9, that will tell me what the measure of a single exterior angle is. So 360 divided by 9 is 40 degrees. So one single exterior angle of a nonagon would be 40 degrees.